battery, so I don't know how long it's gonna last today, but we figured do a little vlogging today. James is off. We are doing our Thanksgiving food shopping today, and we are gonna go to breakfast first because we have literally nothing in the house. Like, let me show you how sad our fridge is. Nothing. No eggs, no milk, nothing. So, we are going to run to probably the diner and just get a quick bite and then do our food shopping, and then we'll be home, I think, for the rest of the day, unless we want to do something else in the afternoon after Jax's nap. But I want to get that done early just because I wanted to get home for lunch and nap time and all that stuff. So I just gotta quickly make sure I have everything on my list because we need Thanksgiving Day stuff plus day-to-day stuff. So we need a bunch of stuff at the food store today. And I think that's it. So you guys are gonna come along with us. What is it, like Fruit Loops?
Yeah. With marshmallows.
Ew, we don't like marshmallows. Those are gross, Jaxie.
I want to do that.
No, you don't need Baby Shark.
So
You don't need Baby Shark.
we are at the food store, and I can barely walk, but this is okay. Huh? You got your special fruit snacks. Can you show me your fruit snacks? Who's on there?
Hey.
Just got done food shopping. That sucked.
That sucked. And there go the groceries. Probably the eggs.
That's what happens when James packs the car. My back is on fire, and now I'm out of commission for the rest of the day. Yes, we went to the diner for breakfast. Because I already did a little intro and I said that we didn't have any food in our house. So now we have food in our house. We did not get a turkey because the majority of the turkeys at ShopRite that we went to were all like frozen. And I don't want a frozen turkey, I want a fresh turkey. And the last time I got a frozen turkey, the first Thanksgiving, funny story, the first Thanksgiving that we hosted in our townhouse, I got a frozen turkey just because, like, oh, all turkeys are frozen. I didn't know better. And I took it out of the freezer and I put it on the counter, and we went to sleep and we forgot it was on the counter, and my mom had to go buy a new turkey.
I remember that.
I left it out on the counter, and I texted my mom the next morning because I went downstairs after getting ready to go to like work and everything, and walking downstairs and seeing a turkey on the counter. And I texted my mom and I was like, so is a frozen turkey still good if you accidentally left it out overnight? And she said, probably safe than sorry. And this was like literally a couple days before Thanksgiving. Oh, I get fresh turkeys, they're always better anyway. But anyway, all the ones and the sizes that we would have gotten were all just frozen, and I don't do frozen turkeys anymore, so that's okay, because either maybe on like Friday, like after Jax and I have his gym class, we'll go to the food store, a different food store, and get a fresh turkey for Thanksgiving. Which is probably better anyway, because then it's not sitting in the fridge for a week. So yeah, and now we're on our way home. And it's already 11:30, so Jax will probably be wanting lunch by the time we get home, or like a little after noon. And he'll go in for his nap. And then this guy's got to work out. And then that's our day. Good job. You're strong. Come on, we got to open the door. Jax, you just had snacks. You just had yogurt and a fruit snack and some apple juice.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm on camera, ready?
And we gotta like, we didn't really vlog that much today.
Sorry, Penelope.
Sorry, he's in his soft clothes. And Jax is on his head. Jaxie, get off your head.
You want for Sadie?
Give Sadie her dinner. Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Yeah, you gave Sadie her dinner. Jax actually just woke up from his nap. Well, we had to wake him up like a little bit ago because it took him an hour, at least an hour, spot stealer. An hour for him to fall asleep. Jax, mommy was sitting on one of your fruit snacks. So we had to wake him up around 4, which is a little late, but he didn't fall asleep until like almost 2, I feel like, when we put him in at like 12:45. Sorry, TV's a little loud. So I am just going to edit. We have our vlog from Sunday I have to edit. And then this one. Right, boys?
Right, what are you doing, Jax? Grab one. If Daddy can reach him, you can reach him.
Again, he's got to touch them all and then pick one. So that's it. It's like almost 5 o'clock and I feel like it should be like 8 o'clock at night, but it's okay. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification for whenever we come out with a new video. I have to think of some new videos for next week and maybe this week too. Leave me some suggestions. If you guys haven't already, go and check out the apple pie video that Jax and I make an apple pie. It's a collaboration video, and we decided to make a classic holiday apple pie because I don't know, I feel like nobody makes apple pies anymore. So go and check that video out. I will leave the link in the description down below, and that's it. Jax, can you come say bye-bye?
Papa,
Say bye-bye.
Uncle,
Say see you later.
Mama, Uncle.
Say peace out.
Bye.
Bye, guys.